Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Monday, April 4th. Stocks on Wall Street are modestly higher to start the week, following a solid rally in Asia and small gains in most European averages. Oil prices are in focus again amid continued violence across the Middle East and North Africa. Investors are concerned about the possibility of more supply disruptions beyond Libya's 1.6 million barrels a day. In addition, a strong U.S. employment report on Friday is increasing bets on rising demand from the world's largest oil consumer. Right now, crude is backing down from $108 a barrel after hitting a 2.5-year high earlier. But gold is trading right around its record high set last week, about $1,440 an ounce.
Lots of M&A activity around the world today. China's Minmetal Resources is making a $6.5 billion play for Canada's Equinox minerals. And the UK's Vodafone is selling its 44% stake in French mobile phone operator SFR to Vivendi for $11.3 billion. But here in the US, the deal-making is focused on the pharmaceutical sector. Pfizer is selling its Capsugel unit, which makes hard capsules and other drug delivery systems. An affiliate of leveraged buyout firm KKR is purchasing the unit for about $2.4 billion. KKR is gaining more than 1% on the news, and shares of Pfizer are modestly higher.
We're keeping an eye on a couple other big-name stocks as well today. Southwest Airlines is dropping nearly 4% as it continues to inspect for cracks in its fleet of Boeing 737s. On Friday, a Southwest flight had to make an emergency landing after a 3-foot hole ripped open its roof. According to the National Transportation Safety Board, cracks in at least 3 other jets have been found since then. Meanwhile, Boeing opened lower, despite being named a long research tactical idea by Morgan Stanley. And McDonald's has some good news for the struggling workforce. The fast food chain is planning to hire 50,000 new workers on April 19th. The one-day event will bring in full-time and part-time workers to nearly 14,000 U.S. locations. Right now, shares of McDonald's are slightly higher.
Analyst actions may move several stocks today. Shares of railroad giant CSX are dropping 0.5% after Stifel Nicolaus downgraded it from buy to hold. But Apple may gain ground today after Canaccord Genuity boosted its price target on the stock from $460 to $480 a share. Meanwhile, the financial sector is getting some attention. Deutsche Bank said it's positive on U.S. banks into the first quarter of next year and named Citigroup, BB&T, and PNC Bank its top picks in the industry. And Janney upgraded SunTrust banks to neutral, sending that stock higher in early trading. Finally, several analysts are weighing in on the takeover battle for NYSE Euronext. Wells Fargo downgraded the operator of the New York Stock Exchange, and Jefferies cut its rating on NASDAQ OMX Group following its $11.3 billion joint offer with Intercontinental Exchange. But Citigroup has a positive outlook on the potential deal, and UBS says that Deutsche Börse is unlikely to make a counterbid for NYSE Euronext. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.